All right, seventh grade. This is lesson 16, adding integers on the number line. All right, adding integers on the number line. We have two reminders. It says, reminder, a positive number may be written with or without a positive symbol. Negative numbers are always written with a negative symbol. Remember, be sure to include the negative symbol if the sum is a negative number. Jaquila earned $15 babysitting. She owed her mother 4 and her brother 6. What money, if any, will she have after her debts are paid? Earnings may be shown as positive numbers or with a positive symbol. Money owed or debts are shown as negative numbers with a negative symbol. You can use addition to find out what she still owes or what she has left after she uses her earnings to pay her debt. So we write, she's got positive $15 because she made it. She owes her mother 6 and her brother, she owes her mother 4 and her brother 6. So those are negative numbers, or it's 15 plus -4 plus -6. The addition of integers may be shown on a number line. The direction of the arrows depends on the sign of the number. Positive numbers are shown with arrows to the right. Negative numbers are shown with arrows to the left. So if we started at 0 right there and we are adding positive 15, we're going to go to the right. Notice it has an arrow. Now, she owed her mom $4, so we start at 15 and we go back to the left 4, and then we go back to the left 6 because she owed her brother. Now, when we get down here, that comes down to -5. So it says to show 15, draw an arrow from 0 to the right 15 units. To add -4, draw arrows from 15 to the -4 units. To add -6, continue the arrow from -4 to the left 6 units. The final number is 5, is the sum. Jaquila has $5 after baby settling her debts. So we're going to be using a number line to add positive and negative numbers. So down below, we are going to find -2 plus 5 on a number line. So we always start at 0, and then we go to the left to -2 because it's a -2. So it says show -2, start at 0, draw an arrow 2 places to the left. Now, we're going to start at -2, and we're going to go move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because we added 5, positive 5. And so when we drop down, we end up at positive 3. So our answer is positive 3. Make sure you fill out this guided practice before going on to the next page. All right, it says find -1 plus -3 plus -2 on the number line. Where did you start and end the arrow to show -1? Well, we're going to start at 0 because that's where we always start. We're going to go to -1. All right, so we started at 0 and we went to -1. Where did you start and end the arrow to show -3? Well, we're starting at -1. And if we start at -1, I'm going to change colors. So we're going to start here at -1. We're going to go 1, 2, 3 to the left. So that's -3. We ended at -4. And then it says, where did you start and end the arrow to show -2? Well, we're going to start at -4. We're going to start right here. We're going to go 1, 2. That's -2. And so we ended at -6. So write the sum. -1 plus -3 plus -2. Our answer is -6. All right. That's one way to do adding integers. All right. When we come down here, you can use the number line, or if you know it, like 7 plus 2. Well, if I start at 7 and I add 2, I got to go to the right 2, which gives me an answer of 9. On 4, I could combine 2 and 3 because that equals 5. So if I go from 0 right here to positive 5, I end right here. Then if I go back 1, I end at 4. So my answer would be 4. That's another way to do it. Let me erase what I just did. All right. So you could always use your calculator as well. So you're going to finish 5, 6, 7, and 8. Oh, when I come down here on number 9, since you guys are listening to the video, that's awesome. We are not going to do problem number 9. So when you come down to problem number 10, it says, aside from using a number line, how can you tell whether a sum is positive or negative? There's a couple of ways that you can do it. You can look at the different signs. You can use a calculator, any of those things. So it's just one possible answer that you're going to do. So you are going to finish the rest of the assignment. Don't forget to submit to me through Canvas when done. Good luck and have fun.